Welcome to the AI Beat, your 5-minute download of what's shaping AI, data, and the future of work. Straight from today's top headlines. Want the edge before everyone else? Subscribe to the Daily Flash Trends newsletter. Today's AI landscape isn't just evolving, it's accelerating. At the Gartner Summit, the tone was clear. The future of AI is human first. It's a powerful statement, and it's being backed by more than just words. Over $200 million in fresh funding is flowing into critical areas: AI infrastructure, model governance, robotics, and decision intelligence. What we're seeing is not a trend, it's a shift. Let's start where the race begins: infrastructure. TensorWave just raised a hefty $100 million in a round, led by Magnetar and AMD Ventures. Their mission? To democratize access to high-performance GPU clusters for model training. In an ecosystem where access to compute power can make or break innovation, this is a game changer. The signal here is clear. If compute bottlenecks begin to ease, expect a broader wave of startups and enterprises to jump into high-stakes AI development with fewer barriers. And while TensorWave looks beneath the surface, Persona AI is taking us somewhere unexpected, above deck. With $27 million in fresh, oversubscribed funding, Persona AI is bringing humanoid robots to shipyards and industrial zones. Backed by HD Hyundai, they're addressing not only labor shortages, but also safety risks in heavy industry. This isn't theoretical, it's practical, visible automation stepping into physically demanding roles. What was once hype around robotics is now entering real-world operations in global supply chains. As the physical world evolves, the governance layer is catching up too. Quest Software has just released Irwin Data Intelligence 15. What's notable isn't just the new version, it's what it does. By automating model certification and integrating Gen AI into data stewardship, Quest is directly addressing the trust gap in enterprise AI. This is especially critical as AI enters regulated sectors. The core insight here: if models aren't certifiable and traceable, they won't scale. And Quest is betting that automation is the answer. The focus on reliability doesn't stop there. OpenLayer, fresh off a $14.5 million raise, is building out a platform that evaluates AI models for risks before they reach production. Think of it as a pre-flight checklist for responsible deployment. Hallucinations, vulnerabilities, edge case failures. OpenLayer wants to catch these early. As enterprises race to production, quality assurance platforms like this are becoming the unsung heroes in the background. Meanwhile, on a much bigger canvas, Amazon and Humane are drawing bold lines in the sand. A $5 billion initiative to create an AI zone in Saudi Arabia is now underway. Powered by AWS, it includes infrastructure and startup training. This marks more than just a regional investment. It's a signal of geopolitical intent. Strict data residency laws are pushing cloud investments local, and Saudi Arabia is positioning itself to be a dominant AI hub. The story here isn't just about cloud, it's about where the AI future will be built and who will build it. The philosophical side of AI also got a spotlight today. At the Gartner Summit, one idea stood out: AI should act as a trusted, mostly silent partner. The guidance is to decouple AI from human intelligence, not replicate it. Let AI handle repeatable cognitive load, freeing humans to focus on reflection, creativity, and decision-making. This is a subtle but vital shift in how we frame AI's role. Not a replacement, but an augmentation. It's not just about performance, it's about purpose. Utilities are embracing this too. Esri's rollout of ArcGIS Enterprise 11.5 and Pro 3.5 brings real-time two-way data sync to field crews, even in disconnected zones. For utility operators, this means smarter grid decisions, better planning, and more agile responses. The move underscores how geospatial AI and network-aware infrastructure are becoming critical in public services. Over in the financial sector, the message is clear: lead or be left behind. The Bank of England unveiled its AI innovation roadmap, complete with a cloud-first approach and comprehensive data mapping strategy. It's simplifying governance so scalable AI can thrive responsibly. This isn't just another bank doing digital transformation. It's a regulator actively shaping the rules of engagement for AI in finance. Others will follow, and they already are. Samaya AI just raised $43.5 million to build vertical AI for financial services, automating compliance, risk, and advisory tasks. This isn't about general-purpose AI. It's laser-focused on banking and fintech needs, signaling a growing appetite for industry-specific solutions that move fast and stay compliant. That brings us to real-time analytics, no longer a nice-to-have. At the Real-Time Analytics Summit, StarTree launched Vector Auto Embedding for Retrieval Augmented Generation and a Bring Your Own Kubernetes model. For enterprises in regulated sectors, that means high-speed analytics without giving up control. The shift here, analytics is going where the data lives, not the other way around. So where does that leave us? Today's trends reveal more than a snapshot. They hint at a direction. AI is becoming infrastructure. It's becoming invisible. It's becoming embedded, whether in robots, utilities, or compliance protocols. The message across sectors is aligned. If you're building for trust, control, and scale, you're building for the long game. Thanks for listening to the AI Daily Pulse. If one of today's stories sparked an idea or raised a question, we'd love to hear it. Catch you on the next episode.